Is it the right time to buy or sell Verizon stock? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into Verizon. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 5, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To ensure you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay up to date with our latest analysis. We also have an exciting tool that can enhance your trading decisions. It's our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Lastly, please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 13, 2023, our system has ranked Verizon as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over the past 37 days, Verizon has exceeded our expectations, with a gain of 12.23% since our initial recommendation to buy the stock. This translates to an average daily return of 0.33% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are uncertain about the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further growth. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 23.94% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 19.96% to 26.65%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential decrease of -11.48% over the next year, with a possible return ranging from -35.08% to -11.48%. This would result in a price range of $26.10 to $35.59 after 1 year. Our latest update on Verizon brings news of a weaker technical forecast. The stock has been downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 5, 2024, the Verizon stock price saw a gain of 2.11%. It rose from $39.37 to $40.20. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains. While it's uncommon for stocks to gain for so many days in a row, it's important to note that a temporary decline is to be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $39.30 and a high of $40.37, representing a 2.74% fluctuation. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a 7.77% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded has also increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. A total of 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to a total of 30 million shares traded, valued at approximately $1.21 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Verizon stock was $44.73, while the lowest price was $30.14. Currently, the stock price is 10.13% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $4.53. It is also 35.39% below the all-time high, which occurred on December 20, 2019. On that day, the price reached $62.22. Analyst ratings. Last Friday, on January 5, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave VZ a grade of equal weight with a corresponding action of hold. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Barclays upgraded VZ and assigned it an overweight grade. Deutsche Bank gave VZ a grade of hold and a corresponding action of hold on Thursday, October 5, 2023. On Tuesday, August 29, 2023, Citigroup upgraded VZ and gave it a buy grade. Citigroup also gave VZ a neutral grade with a corresponding action of hold on Monday, August 21, 2023. Analysts have given Verizon stock a general rating of strong buy. They highly recommend the PE ratio as a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral outlook. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Verizon stock and what they indicate for potential investors. The Verizon stock currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a positive sign for the stock's future. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also supports a buy position, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is expected support from the price levels at $38.59 and $37.73. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may result in sell signals. On Wednesday, December 13, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, and since then, the stock has risen by 8.68%. This indicates further potential for growth until a new top pivot is identified. Another positive signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which also suggests a buy position. Moreover, the volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. The Bollinger signal also gives a buy indication, which occurred 1 day ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average shows a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also presents a buy signal, which happened 52 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 50 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart and see what it reveals. The short moving average shows a buy signal 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 52 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also supports a buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Verizon stock. When it comes to support, Verizon has found a level of support from accumulated volume at $38.33. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. In terms of risk, Verizon has historically exhibited controlled movements and offers good liquidity. This means that the risk associated with trading this stock is considered very low. Looking at the recent price action, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved $1.08 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 2.74% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.02%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Verizon, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio might suggest a lower expectation for the company's future or indicate an undervalued stock, which could present a buying opportunity. Moving on to the latest news, the earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for release on January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.08. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Verizon. When analyzing the stock, we find that there's currently no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This suggests that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the most opportune time to exit. On the other hand, Verizon encounters its first support level at $38.33. If this support level holds, it presents a promising entry point, as we might anticipate a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, Verizon has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 21, 2023, Venkatesh Vandana bought 69,073 shares of Phantom stock, unitized, as an insider. On December 21, 2023, Stillwell Mary Lee purchased 42,091 shares of Phantom stock, unitized, as an insider. On December 21, 2023, StockInvest Anthony T. conducted an insider buy of 101,451 shares of phantom stock, unitized. On December 21, 2023, Silliman Craig L. conducted an insider buy of 246,072 shares of phantom stock, unitized. On December 21, 2023, Sampath Soumyanarayan conducted an insider buy of 155,415 shares of phantom stock, unitized. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is negative with a ratio of -3.664. Overall, insiders have bought 374,948 shares and sold 396,490 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $38.35, which represents a decrease of 4.61%. This particular stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 stands at 76, indicating a substantial increase in risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 15 days ago. Is Verizon stock a good buy? Verizon shows some positive signs, but we don't believe it is a strong buy candidate. It would be better to consider holding or accumulating this stock while waiting for further developments. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate candidate due to a few minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Our system suggests that the current price is overvalued based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. For Monday, January 8, we anticipate Verizon's opening value to be down by $0.245, starting at $39.96. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts with us. We're curious to know your target for this stock. Remember, liking and subscribing to our channel will help us bring you more insightful content. We hope you find success in your trading endeavors. Have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.